Hello everyone, welcome to the first Colton Tech Tips video. Wow, took me that long to make a video. Well, since I have no ideas, I figured I might as well kind of just record my little adventure at updating the BIOS on this computer and reinstalling Windows 10, I guess. Oh, and also a CPU upgrade. I'm going to be upgrading it from, I think this is original. No, it's not the original. We're going to be upgrading the computer from an i3 2120 to an i5 3470. Now, I have not checked if this is compatible with this computer, which is a Dell Vostro something. We'll see what it is later. And I have no idea if it's compatible, so we're going to find out. I'm hoping it is, so I don't have to go through a nightmare of doing it. So I thought about just putting the new CPU in there and seeing if it works right off the bat. I don't think it will, so we might have to update the BIOS. So we'll see. So I'll put the new CPU in, see if it does something, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Also, I have no idea if the RAM, because there's a 4 GB stick in there, I have no idea if it works because it didn't post on my Plex server. But also, I think a RAM slot in my Plex server might be dead, so we'll see. So let's get started. Sorry for the camera angle. I am at a little bit of a tighter space, so that's all I got. For starters, let's just put the CPU in, put the fan in, no thermal paste. Someone might yell at me about this, but I don't care. This ain't gonna be a permanent solution. Once I get this all solved, then I'll put thermal paste on it. So let's start with the i5, the 3rd gen i5. All right, I got that. Put the fan on and then install Windows. I think there might be a copy of Windows on this drive. No idea. We'll find out. There we go. All good. And I think the RAM stick that might be dead is this one. I think it's in slot A. Doesn't really say, but it's in one of the slots. So now let's see if we get a post. Powered on. It's probably thinking about that new CPU. Maybe it's not compatible. I wouldn't be too surprised, because I don't think this BIOS has ever been updated. This is telling me that the CPU is not working. At least the BIOS doesn't detect it. Yeah, we're gonna have to update the BIOS. So we'll put this one back in it for right now. And we'll go from there. Actually, before we do that, let's check out that one RAM stick I mentioned. Let's see if it posts. I'll leave the camera right here. If it does display something, then I have to move it, obviously. All right, and for the fun of it, let's put the RAM stick back in. All right, I think we're good to try it again. All right, attempt number 2. Oh, turn off, turn off. I forgot to plug in the CPU fan. Oops. Hey, stop. Well, it works. Okay. That's a lot better. Well, it's working, so that's a good thing. Let's see if there's an operating system on it. Oh yeah! This is from my I failed first video, the Windows 8 beta thing. Actually, it didn't go too bad. I don't think I actually started editing because it was super long, so let's start it up, and I guess while this is going, I'll go get a USB drive with the BIOS. What version? What Dell? 260. The Dell Vostro 260. So I'll go get the drivers for that. I think it's unbooting. I'll be right back. look at that. So, got the drive. That's the driver on it. Wrong way. Let's get that driver installed. And then after that, we'll see if the new CPU is detected. Go from there. I hope this tells me what old driver version it was, because I'm curious at how old it was. Or how old the driver is. Probably long overdue for a driver update. That's fun. Didn't load. Work. We keep an eye on the CPU temperature. Nope. Okay. We might have to install Windows 10. Fresh install. Might help. So let's do that. The version of Windows 10 I have is a little old. From 2016. But gonna be 6 years old. It started 2022. Oh, it's got stuck in the packaging again. Look at that. Hey, plug it into the back and we'll install it. Alright, cool. Windows 10. Well, I'm just gonna do a complete wipe of it because it is a beta version of Windows. I frankly don't care about it. Probably should put some thermal paste on, but yeah, I say I'll be fine. It's only a, what was it, dual core? Probably shouldn't make that much heat. Let's see, let's boot. Yay. Alright, so we'll install the 64-bit version. Alright, so what I like to do is just run disk part and wipe the entire disk before we start. So it's a complete fresh install. Select. I can spell. Disk 0. So yeah, that should be the drive. And we'll just clean. There we go. Exit that. Exit this. And we just install. Product key. I do have a product key. Probably use that. Woo, product key. Alright. Custom. And that's our drive. We install that. And now we wait. This is on a WD green, so it might take a little bit. It's the only drive I had around. I have another drive, but I think I have some stuff on it that I need to get off before I can format it, so who knows? Alright, look at that. It's done. So it's my dinner. Connect to that. I got a blurred 8. Because I don't feel like going through it, I'll just use Express. Don't really care. Just need to update the BIOS. There is also sound. Hold on, let me plug in the speakers that I use. And okay. Yeah, we're not doing that. Skip.
Narrator.
No. Sound's going. No. I have not seen this setup in like years. It's been so long. Because they switched to that new out-of-box experience, which sucks. I hate it. It's just so boring. Windows 11 out-of-box experience was a little more interesting, I felt like. I don't know. I have not touched Windows 11 since a few months ago. It was my main PC install because I needed Windows, and I figured, hey, I haven't tried out 11 in a while. Well, the latest, the latest build. I tried out the preview builds, but I haven't tried out the latest. I still hate it. Yeah, I ain't going to Windows 11. I'll probably go to Linux at some point. Might make a video about that. Who knows? Might be a fun adventure. Also, I like to call like these computer things computer adventures, so that might be what I called it. Call this video computer adventure. I might have this might be its own little series. I want to do other things with this channel. I might do live streaming. I'm definitely. I'm not gonna talk about that. I might try that. I don't know. Might be fun to do that, but I don't know. Probably won't work out. Probably just make computer adventures. Oh, look at that. It's done. All right, let's go here. Run this. Is it the full resolution? Seems smaller. There we go. I have not seen that. I have not seen the old Windows settings in a very long time. Honestly, I kind of prefer it. Wait, do we have the old control panel thing? Control panel. It's in system, right? Yeah. Oh, look at that old start menu. Yeah, yeah. I prefer that to the new one. I just kind of prefer. We still have to go in here for that and scale it up a little bit. There we go. And also, this program's not running. You want to explain yourself? Yeah, let's do that. No, did not work. Drivers, try it now. Maybe let's just go to dell.com and figure it out. Old Microsoft Edge. Don't care. Hopefully we can at least still go to Dell. Yeah. Support. Home. Find critical security. Recommended. No, it's a Dell. Come on. Oh my god, come on. Maybe I do need to update Edge. Because right now it's not... It's being a... Come on. I don't feel like installing a browser. Let's just go really old. Let's go to the worst browser. Too bad. Switch to Microsoft Edge. No. Because Microsoft Edge wasn't even working. $260. Would you look at that? Internet Explorer beats Microsoft Edge. Wow. It's kind of sad. Drivers and downloads. This is the one I need. Yeah. June 2020. Run. It's refusing to run. Other available versions. That's really old. So this is an MS-DOS format, so let's try doing it through CMD. Cool. It's just refusing to work. Maybe we try MS-DOS? I'll put FreeDOS on here and we'll try that. DOS. Okay. That looks good. So let's just throw that in the local. They say it should work, so let's see. Okay. But maybe this is the latest BIOS. Maybe it is like the latest. See, it was like 80A. Yeah. No, it's A04. Wonder if I could just. No, there's nothing here. I need to probably extract the BIOS from the program. Hello, dog. All right, I see you. Okay, so let's try just MS-DOS and see if that works. We are in what? Windows Millennium Edition? Wow, I didn't know we were in that version of DOS. EXE. What? Okay, so I think we gotta go into BIOS and do something there. Now. And it will log in. Now. I'm sitting on a crate. Let's go to Internet Exploder. Since that's the only one that works, apparently. Come on, Internet Exploder. Also, yeah, so it's not like super small. Yeah, also it's kind of better for me because I can't see because I'm a little further away. Vostro 260. Okay, so the one this is the one we need to update to. Let's see if we can get older version, other versions. Let's get both. It's in 6. Oh, okay, here we go. All right. Update success. Reboot now. Yeah. Alright, so we should be on 6, and let's upgrade to 8. 8. 8's just not at all showing up. Let's do 10. Which 10 will show up? Yeah. We'll do 10. And then we'll try 8 again. If 8 doesn't work, then at least it's updated so it will support the 3rd gen processors. Also, my dog's here. Hey dog, you want to interview? Hey, come here. Come here. Ooh. How are you today? That was dog interview. I should probably get the camera on my dog. Now my dog's running away now. Hey, where you going? Come back here. No, where you going? No. Now, old Microsoft Store. Let's see if I can install 808. Probably not. Let's see. Will it even open? Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, let's shut her down and let's put in that new CPU. And then say that'll be it for this video. Let's get that out. Get that CPU out. Hopefully, this will work. And then after that, if it doesn't work, and I guess I have to research. Kind of like to not research, because that's kind of fun. Oh, God. That is bad. Okay, that should be that. Okay, time to bloggle it. I'll let that run for a bit just in case it like says, haha, we actually worked. CPU switch again. Woohoo. And this time I'll put thermal paste on. Yeah, I'm gonna blur my thermal paste. Why? Because I got yelled at like, oh, you do it this way and do it that way. Actually, I don't care. Do how you do it. Okay. Well, my dog is insane, and she's coming back down. You are an old lady. Stop going up and down. Alright, we're good to go. Let's boot it up one last time, make sure it's all good, and then I'll close it up and call that a good computer. Watch it boot one last time and then alright. So I'll say that'll be it. This video. I'll get right up on the microphone. I say that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. This is the first video. There will be more soon. I don't know when. I'll just upload when I feel like it. So hopefully this is not my first and last video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more, and yada yada yada. Like, comment. Don't dislike. I mean, actually, you can dislike if you want. You can't see it anyways. Anyways, bye bye.